Do you know what? I would say the jury is still out on that one. I've only used it once. Hi guys! Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I am sharing my very first impressions on the Fresh Rose Deep Hydration Oil Infused Serum. This is a new serum. It's not really that new. I think this came out about last year, but this is the first time that I'm using it, and I figured let me do a first impressions video. Because this is a first impressions video, I'm not going to go in depth about the ins and out of this product and all of the different things about this serum. I will be filming a separate video just dedicated to this serum. Maybe in about a week once I've had more time to use it. So this is basically just a morning skincare routine with a focus on this serum, and I'm also showing you what other products I am currently using and what products I'm no longer using. We wipe it here. Anyway guys, before I keep you here any longer, let's just jump straight into the video. Okie dokie guys, so let's just jump straight in. Very excited about today because we are using a new product. So first I'm just going to go in with my Fresh Rose Floral Toner. Press it in, bring it down the neck, let the glow come in. Unfortunately, my essence has finished, so I'm very upset about it. So because my essence is finished, today we're going to be using the Fresh Rose Deep Hydration Oil Infused Serum for the very first time. This video isn't going to be about this serum. This is more of a general get ready with me first impressions video, but I will film a proper in-depth video on this once I've been using this for a little while. But because my essence is finished, I figured let me try it out. Also guys, for the purposes of this video, cute. For the purposes of this video, I'm not using my Radial Bee Venom Super Serum, but I am still using it in general. But because I wanted to try out this serum today, I didn't want to mix two products together, but I am still using that serum and I am still loving it. I'm also surprised at how long that serum has lasted me, because normally those Radial serums don't last me that long. So before we get into using this serum, like I said, this isn't a super in-depth video, but I figured that because I am using this for the first time, I may as well just touch on it a little bit. So this is the Fresh Rose Deep Hydration Infused Serum. This has like 4.8-ish stars based on 840 reviews. This is £52 for 100 ml. The one that I have here is a sample. This sample that I have is 20 ml, and this just comes in the one size, and this is basically an updated version of the Fresh Rose Deep Hydration Facial Serum, which didn't have any oil in it. It was just a nice light serum, and I absolutely loved that serum. I thought it was amazing. If I'd have known that they were gonna stop making that, I would have bought a couple more bottles because that serum is so good. But they recently came out with this oil infused version, I think it was last year, and I've been kind of skeptical about it, but today we're using it. So this is the bottle, and the directions on the back say shake well to mix the water and oil phases and lightly pat onto the face and palms. Use daily, morning and night, follow with moisturizer. Okay, so I'm gonna shake. The only thing I'm apprehensive about is because I'm not a big fan of oils. I don't like oils. I don't know why, but for me, oils don't really go well with my skin. Oils just make my skin super dry. And as we already know on this channel, my skin is already super dry, especially deep down in the layers, and I just find that oils make my face more dry. This is what the lid looks like. This does smell like the other serum, so if you like the smell of the other serum, then I think you'll like the smell of this. Interesting. We will see. Do you know what? I would say the jury is still out on that one. I've only used it once. Apart from it's a bit tricky to get out of the actual jar, but I think it's because of the design of this mini bottle. I don't know what the other bottle, what the larger bottle looks like, but you know what, actually nice. You know, as first impressions go, I'm not mad at that. I do like it. It feels exactly the same as the previous rose serum. It smells exactly the same. You know, it doesn't feel exactly the same. It does feel like it's got oil in it. You can definitely, like, I can definitely feel the oil residue on my palms, but hopefully it won't dry out my face, but I will let you guys know about how that goes. So I'm going to be using this for a couple more days, and then I'm going to film a video on this. So make sure you stay tuned to my channel to find out more about this serum, because I'll be getting into all of the details with you guys. It is quite nice. It gives a nice, like, subtle glow. This does have a couple of key ingredients. This has rose extract, plant-derived squalene, rose water, rose flower, camelina and rose hip oils. So that is all packed into this. and so I'm hoping that this will hydrate my skin really well. Next, now that the serum is on, I'm going on to face cream. My sachet that I'm using, so I'm currently using the Fresh Black Tea Firming Corset. This is from the Black Tea line, and this is Fresh's anti-aging line. Well, it's one of their anti-aging lines, and this is good at just firming up your neck and face like a corset, hence the name corset cream. They say that you can use this daily, morning and night, so this is what I've been using for the last couple of days. These sachets really only last like 2 days, but sometimes you can squeeze a third day out of them. I think I've put way too much on again. I think for these creams, because you don't really need a lot, I always know when I've put on too much. I've got some left on my hand, but I think I'm gonna put that down my neck. Just gonna move this up. And I really love this cream because it is surprisingly hydrating. I think when I'm not using products that are specifically hydrating, I'm always surprised at how hydrating they are. Even though this is fresh. I'm just gonna put that on my neck. Oh, this is good. Look cute. And I love the glow on this thing. Okay. Cute. I absolutely love this face cream, so if you are looking for something to help just firm up your skin a bit, just make you feel tight and right, then actually anything really from the Fresh Black Tea line is really good. There's only really been one product that I've used from that line that hasn't agreed with me, and I think it was a firming serum that broke me out a bit. That's really the only fresh product that I've ever tried that has kind of disagreed with me, but apart from that, everything, especially from the Black Tea line for anti-aging, is really good. Okay guys, so now that I guess like base skincare is done, I'm going to throw on a jumper because it's so cold just being sat here in my towel, and then when I come back we're going to do sunscreen. Okay guys, so I'm back, I'm dressed, I feel good, I feel so cozy. So next we're going to do sunscreen. You guys will be surprised at the sunscreen that we're going to use. So today I'm using the Thank You Pharma Sun Project Water Sun Cream SPF 50. I have a video on the sunscreen. I was saying that I might not be using the sunscreen because it broke me out last time, but this time I've been using it, I've not had a single problem with it. So I'm gonna assume that the previous time when I was using it, it was because I was just mixing it with lots of different products, or it was something else that broke me out. Just gonna do 2 fingers. Having used this sunscreen before, I've just realized that for me 2 fingers is more than enough. 2 fingers may actually be a bit too much, but we want adequate sun protection. Just gonna black that on. I do like this. This is a nice sunscreen. It is very fragrant though, and it smells very floral, so if you're not a fan of floral smells, you don't like fragrances, then I would probably skip this just because it is quite fragranted. Okie dokes. Put that in, push that back. Cute. Okay guys, so that is us done. Actually, one second. Just gonna chuck on some lip balm. Fresh make the best lip balms ever. Cool beans. Cool. Okay, so lip balm is on, fully dressed. So yes guys, that is today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. I just wanted to give you a closer, well, a first impressions of this oil infused serum. As first impressions go, it's okay. It does remind me a lot of the original serum. So far so good. The only thing I'm still a bit skeptical about is the fact that it does have oil in it, and I don't really like using oils in my skincare routine at all, especially not as a serum, or especially not before moisturizers, just because I find the oils tend to dry my skin out. So we will see how this goes. I think because I am also using other fresh products, it should hopefully, really hopefully still be okay for my skin and still keep me hydrated. But like I said, I'm gonna film a full in-depth video about this serum, so if you want to find out more about this serum, make sure you stay tuned to my channel. Basically, apart from that, that is it guys. It feels so weird to not have my extensions in. I really miss them. Anyway guys, so yeah, that is all from me in today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions about any of the products that I use, please do leave them down below for me. I would love to speak to you guys. I have such a great time speaking to you guys in the comments, so please do come say hi. I love to know who is watching my videos. So yeah, so please come down to the comments and say hi. Don't forget to give this video a massive thumbs up, and in the meantime, I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys. Mwah.